Wala. Labas na ako. Bakit?
Mas safe pag gano'n.
Precum still consists a bit of sperm out of the penis before ejaculation, so a woman can definitely be pregnant even before it comes.
Gawin natin. Take ba yan? Pares naman tayo lalaki.
Male to male or female to female can cause HIV. Transmission is possible through sharing of sex toys and exposure to blood during sex.
Saan natin patalitan? Masip na hindi ka mabubuntis.
While the risk of contracting most STIs from oral sex is lower than for vaginal sex, there is still the risk of transmission. The risk is low but never zero.
Uy, pwede ba?
May mensa ko.
Okay lang yan, safe naman. Hindi ka naman mabubuntis niyan.
Fine, sabi mo.
Oo.
May sasabihin ako.
Ano yun?
Buntis.
Ano?
Having sex during period can still make you pregnant since a sperm can live in your body for up to 6 days.
Lang. Pwede nga na. Pwede.
Ayoko.
Bakit ayaw mo?
Ayoko nga sabi, wala ako sa mood.
Please, ngayon lang.
Ayoko.
Pakipot ka pa. Nasarapan ka naman ba?
This is common to rape cases where some people claims that when a person is aroused, it automatically means that they enjoyed it. It is a natural response of the body to be aroused regardless if the person enjoyed the deed or not.
Ang tagal. 5 minuto lang tayo yan. Hindi tatagal yan.
30 minutes pa oh.
Scripted lang yan.
Ano
Dito mo, may cut nga yun, nagkakat sila. Wala ko sa akin. Sunod ko na yan.
Ganyan talaga yan. Ganyan sila mag-edit ng video.
Pero di tatagal nila.
Paano mo nasabi?
Bubado ko na nga.
Papa naman.
Gusto naman paala ka na.
What you see in porn is not the exact representation of real-life sex. Characters fake their bodily responses just so viewers get satisfied.
Girl, may chika ako. Ano? Mamaya. Punta boyfriend ko. Ano gawin nyo? As an experienced person, I need tips. Tips? Well, nabasa ko somewhere. Di ka na mabubuntis kapag nasa baba. Bakit? Hindi daw marunong lumawi yung sperm pataas. Ano na mabubuntis to? Girl. Try na.
Sperm can swim upwards.
May experience ka na?
Wala.
Bakit?
Kasi nakakatakot.
Sus, oo eh. Pag first time, hindi ka pa naman mabubuntis niyan eh.
Ganun ba?
Oo, kaya try mo na.
As long as you're ovulating, it doesn't matter if it's your first time. You can still be pregnant.
Sabi lang kami yan.
Wait, ba't ka uminom ng ganyan kadami?
Para mamatay yung sperm cell.
The ingredients of soda does not affect a male sperm count or a sperm's lifespan. Sex education impacts overall social emotional health, including enhanced understanding of gender and sexuality, lower rates of homophobia and related bullying, low rates of dating violence, intimate partner violence, sexual assault, and child sexual abuse. In a world where technology, societal expectations, and cultural norms are rapidly changing, providing young people with comprehensive, accurate, and inclusive sex education is vital. It enables them to make informed decisions about their bodies, relationships, and overall well being. Furthermore, it fosters an environment of respect, understanding, and openness, all of which are essential to creating a healthier and a more compassionate society.
Dapat
Saro,
ang camera
dua, tulo, okay
para
na.
ano man, panipaniwala
Ano yan?
Saro, dua, tulo. Ito na lang.